So fourth graders, your learning target is I can organize and represent data, or data, however you want to say it, on line plots. So let's take a look at what you're going to do today. So what you're going to do with the partner is you're going to measure the length of some various insects. You're going to measure them to the nearest eighth of an inch. So you would write like your number, so let's say 2 and 3/8, you would write the 3/8 as a fraction. So let me show you what you will do once you have written down the measurements for each animal or each insect. You're going to write them here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to plot the data set on the line plot. You need to put a title for it here, and then the label down here. The label would be, what do these numbers mean? Are they in inches, feet, centimeters, so on? Here, this is just a title showing what the data is. So I will tell you that the smallest insect is at 3/8. So you would write 3/8 here. And then you're going to put 4/8 here, 5/8, and so on. Then any insect that is 3/8, you're going to put an X above its measurement line. So whatever insects here are 3/8, you're going to put an X. There's another one that's 3/8, you'll put an X right on top, so you'd have some stacked in a row here. Or in a column, I should say. So, once you have made your line plot, I will show you what you do next. Then, the next page, you have some questions to answer. Whoops. It's right here. So, once you've completed the line plot, you use this to go through all things and answer some questions there. So, things like the measure the longest, the shortest, how many have that, and so on. I will tell you, too, that the nearest eighth could include a whole number. So, let's say one of these was 4 inches, you would write 4 inches. So, I will put the pages on Classroom that you're going to do in your math journal. Some of you need to grab your math journal from my desk. Feel free to do that.